Are you ready to own a piece of automotive history? Look no further than this 1941 Buick Special Coupe, a rare gem that's sure to turn heads. With its sleek black paint job and solid condition, this car is a restoration enthusiast's dream come true. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 248 cu.in straight-8 engine, paired with a manual transmission and a unique 3-on-the-tree setup. Despite having only 1 mile on the odometer, this car runs smoothly and doesn't smoke, making it a great candidate for a full restoration. The title is clean, and the overall condition is good, with minimal wear and tear. Whether you're a collector, a historian, or simply a car enthusiast, this Buick Special Coupe is sure to impress. With its rich history and limited production run, this car has immense historical value and potential for appreciation. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of the past. Visit the link in our description to learn more about this amazing vehicle and make it yours today. Serious inquiries only, please. Today, we have a classic 1948 Buick Super 50 Series 4-door sedan that captures the spirit of a golden automotive era. Priced at $8,500, this green beauty boasts a smooth-running straight-8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. With only 50,000 miles and a clean title, it's a well-preserved survivor, featuring a repaint done back in 1975 and recent maintenance including tires, battery, and tune-up. This rear-wheel drive sedan offers charm and reliability, perfect for collectors or anyone looking to restore a piece of history. If you're curious to see more, check out the link in the description for all the details and photos. Don't miss the chance to own this time capsule from the late 40s. Introducing a classic 1949 Chevrolet, a timeless beauty perfect for collectors or restoration enthusiasts. This vintage Chevy features a reliable 216 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth drive with only 1,000 miles on the odometer. The vehicle comes with a rebuilt title, reflecting its renewed condition and potential for future restoration. Located in Roswell, New Mexico, this iconic car blends historical value with classic American muscle. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, check the link in the description. Introducing a classic gem, the 1949 Oldsmobile, now available for $10,000 in Roswell, New Mexico. With just 1,000 miles on the odometer, this iconic beauty features an automatic transmission, gas engine, and a rebuilt title status. Its solid condition makes it the perfect candidate for restoration, offering historical value and vintage charm. Runs smoothly and promises to be a rewarding project car. Visit the provided link in the description for more details. Discover the charm of this 1949 Studebaker Champion Coupe, priced at $2,800 and located in Tonganoxie, Kansas. This classic car features a robust 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it a rewarding drive for enthusiasts. With 106,845 miles on the odometer, the vehicle is in good condition, showcasing a clean title and an attractive brown paint finish. This Studebaker is a fantastic project car with no rust-through and comes with an extra motor and most parts, except for the front seat. Its vintage appeal and solid foundation make it ideal for restoration or as a treasured collector's piece. For more detailed information and pictures, be sure to check the link in the description below. Take a look at this classic 1949 Chevy Convertible, offered at $8,500 in Victorville, California. This vehicle comes with a 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and is a rear-wheel drive FWD model. The car's odometer reads 100,000 miles, and it has a clean title. The condition is fair, with some rust, but it's a complete car with great potential for restoration. A solid 1950 hardtop is included as a donor vehicle to help bring this beauty back to life. If you're a classic car enthusiast looking for a project with historical value, this Chevy convertible is an excellent opportunity. For more information, check out the link in the description. Check out this 1949 Chevy Woody Tin Wagon, an iconic classic with great potential for restoration. Priced at just $3,000, this car is located in Coldsprings, Nevada. The car features its original 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and only 15,000 miles on the odometer. While the body is in great condition, there is some floor rust to address. The title status is missing, which might appeal to those looking for a project car. This is a rare find, especially in its current state. For more details, check the link in the description. Step into the world of classic automotive elegance with this stunning 1947 Oldsmobile Dynamic 78, a true gem from the golden age of cars. Priced at $7,500, this four-door sedan is nestled in Minden, Louisiana, offering a perfect blend of history and potential. Boasting a powerful straight-8 engine paired with a smooth hydromatic automatic transmission, this classic exudes timeless sophistication. With an odometer reading of just 98,000 miles, this car has been lovingly stored for 15 years, ensuring its mechanical integrity. The body is straight and rust-free, with solid floors and trunk, while the paint and interior remain in excellent condition, showcasing its original charm. Although the engine runs, this car is not currently drivable, making it an ideal candidate for a meticulous restoration. Its clean title and good condition highlight its authenticity and potential for becoming a showpiece or a beloved driver. This 1947 Oldsmobile is more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive history waiting to be brought back to life. For those with a passion for classic cars, this Oldsmobile Dynamic 78 offers endless possibilities for restoration, enjoyment, and investment. Don't miss the chance to own a slice of automotive nostalgia. For more details, be sure to click the link in the description to explore this incredible opportunity. Discover the rugged charm of the 1948 Ford F600 PTO dump bed antique truck, available for just $2,500 in Eugene, Oregon. This historic classic boasts a PTO-driven dump bed that operates smoothly when the engine is on. Equipped with a manual transmission and powered by gas, its odometer reads 999,999 miles. While it lacks a title, this vehicle holds immense restoration potential and traces back to fascinating past uses, including Christmas tree hauling in the 1950s. Ideal as a toy hauler or restoration project, this Ford F600 embodies history and unique functionality. For detailed information, visit the provided description link on YouTube to explore more. Don't miss this rare gem. Check out this classic 1946 Dodge COE, priced at $8,000, located in Rosamond, California. This rare vintage truck features a 90-degree tilt bed, offering a unique and practical design. The vehicle has a clean title and is powered by a gas engine with manual transmission. The odometer reads just 300 miles, making it a rare find for collectors. Although the engine's running condition is uncertain, this vehicle has massive restoration potential. Whether you're a fan of classic cars or looking to restore a historical gem, this Dodge COE is an excellent opportunity. Visit the link in the description for more details. Step back in time with this 1945 GMC CC4 Firetruck, a rare classic that runs, drives, and stops. With just over 10,000 original miles, this truck maintains its authenticity, featuring a manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a reliable 6-cylinder gas engine. The patina adds character without major rust issues, and the clean title ensures smooth ownership. New tires, refreshed brakes, and a rebuilt carburetor enhance its drivability. Whether you're a collector or looking for a restoration project, this piece of history is ready for its next adventure. Visit the description for full details and discover what makes this Firetruck a true gem. This classic 1941 Chrysler Windsor is a rare find, priced at $9,500. It features a 4-point Vortec V6 engine with an automatic transmission on the floor. The odometer reads 1, although the actual mileage is unknown. The car is in running condition but requires some work. The title status is missing, adding a challenge for potential restoration enthusiasts. This car is perfect for those seeking a project with a touch of historical charm. Visit the link in the description for more details. Check out this 1947 Plymouth, a classic car in good condition, with a great price of $5,500. Located in Nicholson, Georgia, this car features a 10,000-mile odometer reading and a manual transmission. It's perfect for restoration, with 2 cars available, one for parts and the other for use. You'll find everything you need, including 3 transmissions, to make this a great project car. Ideal for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts looking for a historical gem. Visit the link in the description for more details and photos of this potential restoration project. Welcome to this incredible 1948 Chevy pickup, a classic vehicle that's sure to turn heads. With its rich history and restoration potential, this car is a dream come true for any collector or enthusiast. The Chevy Silverado 1500 boasts of fair condition, with some rust in the cab corners and a spot on the roof, but the floors are in good shape. The cab and inner fenders have been sandblasted and primed, ready for bodywork, and it comes with new patch panels for rust repair. Although it doesn't have an engine, this pickup has a clean title and a mere 100,000 miles on the odometer. The transmission is other, and the fuel type is gas. This 1948 Chevy pickup is a rare find, offering a unique opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history. Whether you're looking to restore it to its former glory or appreciate its vintage charm, this car is sure to impress. For more information, be sure to visit the link in our description to see the full listing and learn more about this amazing vehicle. Don't miss out on this chance to own a true classic. Check it out today. Check out this 1949 Chevrolet 4400, a classic flatbed truck that's ready for restoration. Priced at just $1,800, this vehicle comes with a 6-cylinder engine that ran 20 years ago. While the odometer reads 88,410 miles, it's important to note that the truck is being sold with a missing title. It has a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it a unique project for any classic car enthusiast. Located in Byers, Colorado, this Chevrolet 4400 has a lot of potential for someone looking to restore a vintage truck to its former glory. For more details, visit the link in the description and explore this classic find further. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history today. This 1949 Dodge pickup is an exciting opportunity for classic car enthusiasts and restoration aficionados. With a blue paint job and salvage condition, this vehicle is perfect for those looking to restore or modify a classic. It's equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, a manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Both engines run, though they will need batteries. The title is clean, and multiple parts are included. This is a package deal for 2 Dodge pickups, a 1949 short box and a 1950 long box. Whether you're a Mopar fan or just looking for a project, these pickups offer great potential. For more details, be sure to visit the provided link. Presenting a 1948 Jeep truck, a vintage classic with undeniable restoration potential. This truck features the original motor that still turns over despite not running after years of sitting. With 54,000 miles on the odometer, it retains a clean title and is equipped with a manual transmission. The body shows some rust, typical for its age, making it a perfect project for enthusiasts who appreciate historical vehicles. Located in Redmond, Oregon, this Jeep truck is priced at $2,000. If you're passionate about classic trucks and want a rewarding restoration, explore this gem further by checking out the link in the description. Don't miss the chance to bring this piece of automotive history back to life. If you're a fan of classic American cars with rich history, this 1949 Lincoln two-door coupe is a rare find. With a clean title and 77,777 miles on the odometer, it features its original flathead V8 engine, rare factory automatic transmission, and a solid, straight body with original paint and patina. The floors, trunk, rockers, and frame are all solid with no bondo or sanding, making it an excellent restoration project. Located in Livingston, Texas, this coupe offers great potential for enthusiasts who want something unique on the road. For more details, check out the link in the description.